Hi guys, welcome to Explain Me How. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use TikTok photo mode. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. First, open your TikTok app. From here, tap on the plus icon in the middle. And then go to Gallery on the bottom right. From here, tap on Photos on the top right. Now just select the pictures that you want. You can choose as many pictures as you like. Once you're done choosing, just tap on Next. And here on the bottom, you will get to see an option that says Switch to Photo Mode. Just tap on that. And now, as you can see, Photo Mode has been activated. Now to make your TikTok better, you can choose to add music. So to do that, just tap on the music icon on the top. Once you're here, just scroll through or search the music that you want. Once you find the music that you like, just tap on it. And then it will be added to your TikTok. Now your TikTok is ready. So just tap on Next and then post your TikTok. And it's done. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe to get notified for new videos. We're dropping new videos every day to help all of you.